Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into Neurogum Energy and Focus, a nootropic chewing gum designed to enhance energy, alertness, and concentration. We wanted to see if this product really boosts brain performance or if it's just a gimmick. After using it, we found the combination of natural caffeine, L-theanine, and B vitamins work surprisingly well. Within minutes of chewing, we felt a gentle rise in focus and mental clarity without the jittery crash we usually get from coffee. It's fast acting because absorption happens through the mouth instead of the stomach, which makes it unique. For the pros, it's convenient, portable, and sugar free. The boost is smooth and subtle, not overwhelming. It's also great for situations where coffee or energy drink aren't practical. For the cons, the flavor fades quickly, and if you're sensitive to caffeine, chewing multiple pieces could give you side effects like restlessness. It's also more expensive per dose compared to regular caffeine sources. Overall, Nurigum Energy and Focus delivers a legit mental boost, and it's also a solid choice for students, professionals, or anyone who need clean, fast energy. This has been How to Do. We keep things smart and simple and scam free.